Alright, what's going on, everyone? Here's our ramp. Here's the ramp that Green Forge made. It actually hits pretty well. I'll put some clips of him hitting it. I haven't actually hit it yet, but well, I did hit it once. I guess it'll be my second time since I hit it once before, but like I didn't really get it, like test it out and like get good at it or anything like that. So we're gonna hit in fourth. So that was a pretty bad attempt actually. First of all, my foot fell off the peg, so that was a pretty bad attempt. First attempt at least. We're gonna hit it in third now, just because, well, no, I'm not very good at it yet. That one was a little better. I leaned back with my weight a little bit, so I guess that helps. I don't really know. We're gonna hit in fourth. He told me to hit it in the low fifth gear, but I was hitting it in a high fourth, so I don't know if that's really going to make all the difference anyway, so I guess we'll try it. Is that a Ranger? Ranger danger? 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is